This is what it's like to manufacture in your garage. Let me show you what we got going on. I don't get to talk about this very often, so this is really exciting. Here are the raw materials. This is where we do our mixing. Don't ask me how we figured this out. It was a pain in the ass. Anyways, the raw materials go into this bucket where I mix everything together by weight, and then we take it over here to the drill press. I have a specialized mixing bit. It's not that special. I got it off Amazon. Then we mix everything up. Once it's mixed, we pour everything into these storage tanks right here so we can pump it. This machine right here is a champ. It's my ride or die. GFK 160 by Vivor, shout out. Like, you're so great. It pumps anything out of this spout. We grab our jars and we just start filling them up by pressing that little foot pedal. Jars, you ask? Where do I get the jars? Uline, and we have a shit ton of them, and they get delivered to your house no problem. So once the jar gets filled, we put a lid on it, and then we take one of these little top stickers and label it. And then we bring it right over here to our label applicator. Got this off Amazon. I think it was about $100. It is a lifesaver. It works so well. Once we've rolled a label onto the jar, they show up completed like this. We put them all in these cardboard boxes. These are our master cases, and a master case is designed to hold 6x6 in 2 levels, making 72 units per master case. We do this strategically because we want it to be less than 50 pounds, so we don't break any weight constraints with Amazon, and so we don't have to have team lift, you know, etc., etc. And they fit on a pallet perfectly. Things like sizing, weights, and dimensions make a really big deal, and it's important to think about it. Here's what the finished master cases look like. We're going to be able to fit 30 of them on a pallet and have a little over 2,000 units shipped into Amazon via LTL. LTL means less than truckload. It's just when you're shipping palletized stuff. We're also going to be putting together a second pallet, and that's going to go to our 3PL in Wisconsin. 3PL is our third-party logistics center. They ship and fulfill and pack all of the orders that come in on our website. Now, normally people don't manufacture in their garage, and trust me, we have made a ton of mistakes, but this is what we've been doing for years. Not filling in our garage, but cutting our teeth on it and going through that initial stage of just doing it ourselves before we pass it off to a co-packer or a manufacturer. And there's 2 reasons why we do that. The first is speed, the second is expertise. Usually lead times are like 6 to 12 weeks for product, especially the original MOQ, and we can't afford to wait that long. We need to get it in customers' hands, get feedback, get reviews, figure out if it's liked, figure out how to tweak it, blah, blah, blah. You know what I'm saying? It really allows us to be nimble and really keep our supply chain tight when business is going like this in the beginning of a product launch. The other reason is expertise. We know how to fill our product and all the nuanced little things that go into it, the box size, the jar size, the label size, it all works, it all fits, how to do it, how we expect it to look, and because we know, now we can tell a manufacturer. DM me if you need help.